Mama,
Huh?
you woke? Do you need a cough drop?
No, and I don't need nothing.
Okay. Do you have a cough drop in your mouth? Do you want another one? Are you good?
No.
Are you hurting? Is your head hurting? Do you need a cough drop?
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right.